Godzilla Akpabio's legal battles with Natasha deepens as he moves to hot case. What case does he want to hot? Natasha is not giving up. Natasha is going everywhere internationally to make sure that he exposes Godzilla Akpabio. But the thing is that these people, they don't have shame and they do not care. He doesn't care because if he really has shame, he would have stepped down since and said, well, I am stepping down. Okay, let's go and find solution to the problem at hand. But he doesn't care. All the international places where Natasha is going, she just feels like, well, you are just going for your own gain's sake. Senate President Godswill Akpabio has taken legal steps to halt the Federal High Court proceedings in the case filed by suspended Kogi Central Senator Natasha Akpabio. Akpabio, through his legal team, has approached the Court of Appeal requesting a stay of proceedings while contesting an interlocutory decision issued by the lower court on 10th of March. That's when you know that these people, they did not have shame, say. If you have shame, if the way Natasha is going the extra mile, the way she is going everywhere to talk about this thing, you know that she's saying the truth. Because I see no reason why you are not saying the truth and you are going all the way like this. She's obviously saying the truth about Akpabio. She's not lying. According to Premium Times, this move is a major setback for Akpabio, who is challenging a 6-month suspension by the Senate. The Federal High Court had initially placed an injunction on the Senate's disciplinary process against her on the 4th of March, but the Senate proceeded with the suspension on 6th of March. In response, Akpabio filed a motion for a mandatory injunction and contempt proceedings against the Senate. On 10th March, the Federal High Court ruled that all pending applications in the case will be heard together, a decision Akpabio's legal team argues is against established legal principles. Something is against legal principles, imagine. Seeking to delay the case, Akpabio's lawyer filed a similar application to the Federal High Court on 20th March alongside their Court of Appeal motion. Interestingly, the Court of Appeal promptly scheduled a hearing for 25th of March, the same day the Federal High Court was set to hear all applications in the suit. These legal maneuvers could effectively delay Akpabio's case, prolonging her suspension, and that is why she's not waiting for them to. That is why she's going to the extra mile, extra length to showcase this man. She doesn't care if she doesn't get back her seat. She doesn't care if she's suspended right now. She doesn't really care. I don't think she cares about the seat any longer. What she cares about now is making sure that Akpabio faces the consequences of his actions. I think that is what she's more after now. That is what she's more after now. Akpabio argues that proceedings with the case at the High Court, while an appeal is pending, could render any future judgment by the Appellate Court ineffective. With both courts set to deliberate on the matter simultaneously, the legal battle is far from over. The outcome could have significant implications for the Senate authority and judicial oversight in legislative matter. It is well. Only God knows when the issue will be resolved. John Chidioze says courts are in Nigeria and not helping matters. Before Uncle, you don't know that the judiciary now belongs to these people. They are the ones controlling it, Wiki and his cohorts. That is it. They are not helping matters. They cannot help matters. And sometimes they don't cooperate with each other. That one says they. I said Motano, I said, since Akpabio claimed that he is innocent, why is he afraid? Ask him, why are you going the extra length to silence this woman? Why are you going the extra mile to make sure that she doesn't talk? Why? That's why she's going the extra mile. She doesn't care. She's going the extra mile to make sure that you are exposed. Nojo says the corrupt judiciary will end up favoring a nice counterpart in corruption. Anyway, let's see how it pans out. Let's see. It is well. Amos Akeme says there isn't a single positive thing about Akpabio. He's a lowly criminal. I'm telling you. It is well. Egalitarian Species says you can see how politicians are manipulating and making caricature of the judiciary with the help of ambulance lawyer. No be small ambulance lawyer. Emergency lawyers. It is well. Musa says, honestly, the judiciary has become so shameless. So shameless, very, very shameless, to the point of behaving like children in kindergarten. Can't believe that this is happening in this same country we so much cherish. Who do us this thing? I don't know. Who do us this thing? Who do us? It is well. Felix Vincent says, all senators are cowards. What are you waiting with Akpabio? Remove him from the seat of Senate president. They cannot remove. I don't know why they don't want to remove him. because most of them want to come back for second tenure or what? I really don't know. Why you people can't stay? Well, you need to step down. You are bringing shame to the Senate. All of these things that this woman is doing, you people need to go and resolve it. When you people are able to resolve it, then you can come back to your position. But they are not doing that. They're still letting them to be knocking his hammer on the table, to be presiding over them. I don't understand them. Isaac Onyekwe says, why would Akpabio not jump to appeal court? The Supreme Court not give verdict on a case pending in a high court 2 weeks ago, followed by a martial law. From the election cases to now, the judiciary has crumbled. Yes, so they have really crumbled. Wike went to France and ended up victorious a week after. Which FC working they go do there? I go take no. I go take no. Peter Meeting says, I said that Akpabio sexually harassed Natasha. She has provided all evidences to support her claims. The picture of Akpabio's prick is now in public space. Hey, where is that? Hey, I've not seen that one. No, I beg you. It's not everywhere in public space like Akpabio is just a big fool who is thinking all Nigerians are stupid as it is. Akwa Ibom people now, wow, nariwa. But Natasha is saying the truth. She's saying the truth. For her to be going this extra mile, you know that she's saying the truth. He said it. John Wobike says, we know how to keep the court unnecessarily busy, but we'll turn around to blame them. Victor Sunday says, it's not a tribal matter, Oga. Character is an individual thing. Yes. How many Akwa Ibom people are empowered that you know in this administration, yet Nigeria is so bad? Hausa Fulani believe in religion. Yoruba specializes in tribalism. Igbo is the only tribe that can run an inclusive government without much sentiment, yet are not allowed to rule. Nigerians are already spoiled by these two tribes. Who told you that? Igbos are also tribalistic. Some Igbos are tribalistic. I'm not saying all of them. And it's not even all Yorubas that are tribalistic also. So we can't judge by just some people. By just some people's opinion that, Yorubas are tribalistic. The Hausas are this. Igbos too, people are tribalistic sometimes. Julius Odofin says he has refused to take the honourable way by stepping aside, exactly, and is now interfering with the cause of justice with impunity. I have no reason to disagree with those saying that Nigeria has entered the banana republic phase. Abi Zoo Republic safe. Angela Chukwane says, our case is not supposed to go from high court to appeal court. Why would Akpabio jump from the high court to go straight to the appeal court? Now so they do now. Unconstitution, lawlessness. Are there no longer procedures for getting to the appeal court? Anything that these people do, now be constitutional. The main constitution, we know they obey for this country, so they should come out just straight away. So, my listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.